Hey guys, Charlotte and Maddie here, and today we're taking over the Helen Thickalore Instagram story to show you guys how we're getting ready for our holiday party. First up, cookies.
Okay, Maddie. Now don't tell Dad. You gotta keep it a secret.
Speaking of presents, my M necklace commemorating the birth of my daughter Maddie is by far my favorite gift of the 2017 season. So much so that I got one for my best friend who also had a baby this year, and you could shop it by swiping up. Now that the house is finally ready, it's time to get me ready. Alright guys, that's it for us today. Our guests are going to be here any minute. Thank you so much for joining in with us. We had so much fun. Happy holidays!